Samsung Galaxy A25, high-quality renders and some credible specs. Samsung has launched its next mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A25, which debuted on November 2023. The device had been leaked several times in the past few weeks, revealing some of its key features and specifications. Now, we have a new set of high-quality renders that show the Galaxy A25 in all its glory. The Galaxy A25 sports a familiar triple silo design with a fresh twist. The back panel will have a matte finish and a rectangular camera module that houses 3 lenses and an LED flash. The front will feature a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch for the selfie camera. The display will have a full HD resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. The Galaxy A25 will also have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Galaxy A25 will be powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, which is a 5nm octa-core processor with 2 Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz. The chipset will also have a Mali G68 GPU for graphics performance. It'll come with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via a micro SD card slot. The device will run on Android 14 OS with a One UI skin on top, packing a massive 5000 mAh battery that'll support fast charging via a USB Type-C port. This device will provide enough juice for a full day of usage on a single charge. The Galaxy A25 will boast a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50MP primary sensor with f1.8 aperture, PDAF, and OIS, a 5MP ultra-wide angle sensor with f2.2 aperture and 123-degree field of view, and a 2MP macro sensor with f2.4 aperture. This camera is to offer features like HDR, panorama, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K video recording. The front-facing camera will be a 16MP sensor with f2.0 aperture and 1080p video recording. The phone will support dual SIM, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and FM radio. The device will also have sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. The device is available in black and other colors. The Galaxy A25 is a competitive mid-range smartphone that offers a great display, performance, battery, and camera. The device will also have a sleek design and a premium feel. It seems that the Galaxy A25 is hopefully a worthy successor to the Galaxy A21, which was launched in 2020. It'll compete with other mid-range smartphones like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, the Realme 8 Pro, and the Oppo F19 Pro.